Hey everyone, if you hear any panting in the background, that's my pit bull hanging out with me today. But I wanted to show you that yarrow flowers restores your natural hair color. I put the tea in a glass so that you can actually see what it looks like when you boil it on the stove. I do not suggest putting water in the microwave for because of the radiation purposes. Don't put radiation in your body, okay? Do it the old-fashioned way. Turn on your stove, electric or gas, and go ahead and heat up that distilled water. Never use sink water because it has over 700 chemicals. Now, when I traveled to Paris, France, their water is like muddy water. You can't do anything with that water. They don't like putting chemicals in their water, so they just leave the water basically as is, and it's just really horrible. You can't even do anything with that. So, of course, you know, when I was in Paris, France, I drank bottled water a lot. I went to the grocery store and got the filtered water and drank that because you cannot do anything with that sink water in Paris, France. So I just wanted to stop by and show you the yarrow flowers and to tell you not to use the sink water in America to, you know, drink or cook or brush your teeth with. Don't do anything with that sink water. Get some distilled water, boil that up, and you will see your natural hair color return. Now that I completed my mucoid plaque cleanse, because I do that once a year now, my body can absorb 100% of its nutrients, and you'll start seeing the hair on top of my hair where it's turned a little bit of gray. It'll start turning back to its regular natural color. So just wanted to share that information with you because this method is healthier than putting dyes and tints and stuff in your hair. You know, you have pores on your scalp, and you don't want to poison your brain trying to look cute. You don't want to poison your brain trying to look cute, okay? So what you want to do is put the essential nutrients in your body that needs to go into your body to restore natural hair color. Then you also want to cleanse out your body from mucoid plaque or parasites, because your essential nutrients can't absorb properly if you got junk in your colon that needs to be removed. So this is Lois Banks coming to you from the Lois Banks Ministry. I've been telling God's people this for years, especially first ladies of churches. They like to present a certain look, and they have a worldly mindset of dyeing their hair and tinting their hair to cover the gray. God said not so. You should have been seeking him in prayer to find a more natural solution so that your brain is protected. And there's no such thing as putting tints and dyes on your hair and asking God to protect your brain. No, sir, no, ma'am. That's nope. That's not even logical thinking. You have to first not even put the dyes and the tints in your hair. You should be seeking God in prayer, finding out how to restore your natural hair color, and then testing different things to see what works on your body. Okay? Natural. God's natural. You want to stay as close to natural as you can. So this is Lois Banks coming to you from the Lois Banks Ministry. God bless you.